Hey everyone, thank you for watching this video. And in the starting, I must tell you, this is a 3ds Max tutorial. As you can see on my screen, it's a 3ds Max tutorial, and for that, things you need to do, and you need to have a computer with a good processing power, 3ds Max, any version unregistered one, or the I prefer going for the 2010 or 2011. I'm not really sure if those materials I'm going to use in this project are available in the previous versions of the 3ds Max, because I've never seen them, so most probably use 3ds Max 2011 to get the same results as I'm going to. So actually what are we going to create here is this set of teapots in a closed room with some good shadows right down there, and good wall, a blurred kind of wall, a wall thing. That's really good. So let's go ahead in 3ds Max. Okay, first of all, you can create a box right there. Okay, just to make your screen bigger than this, you just need to press Alt W and then just create a box. So I know that's not really a box. We're building walls for it. And if you want some professional walls for that, there's a tip. Go ahead to AEC, extend it, and just click wall and just get in this view, start drawing there. So I'm not really going into detail. We're just gonna size them up so they can look better. Now just go ahead to standard primitives, plane, just go down, good plane that. There we go, that looks pretty good with that. Now we're gonna go ahead and create a teapot on the screen. For this tutorial, we'll just go for one teapot. Looks good. So it looks quite sharp. So go ahead to modifier and change the segment slowly to 64, because you cannot go more than that. So I'm just telling you to go to 64. So that's all good. Now I'm sorry, I did not tell in the beginning that this is going to be a mental ray render, and mental ray is a very powerful render. For just leave that now. So what are we going to do now? Go ahead to assign render, and on your 3ds Max it will be set on default scanline, and we're going to change that to mental ray render from default scanline render. So that's really good. And you're going to change the dimensions to 1280 by 720 and we're going to close that down. So, and then we can directly get into the materials editor. You can hit M on your keyboard for that, or you can just go right there to get the materials editor on your screen. So before doing anything or making any material, just click on this target button right there and just close those tabs right there and directly get into the metallic paint, and you can just choose any of them you want. I'll just go for the flaked reflective bake, one of us, and you have steel blue and some good colors, so go for this. Actually, so make it this color and make it to white, and just apply it to your teapot. And then so this is the thing I was telling you about. These materials wouldn't be available in the previous version because I've never seen them. So let's get into center once again. Close the metallic paint, get down here and choose the wall paint. wall paint, glossy, and choose some good colors for your wall. What kind of color of wall do you want? So let's go for cool white. Select, apply, apply, and then apply like that. Sorry for that. And then we're going to create something for our floor. Hit center once more. So okay, let's see what floor did we use. Okay, so you can even import from the bitmap, but it would be okay if you used. No finish. Let's go for flooring and loop white. Select. Sorry for that. And you can even adjust the color. So I'm gonna make it to pure white or something like that. Let's see if that thing turns into. We're gonna make it white and apply it to our floor. So just hit Z key. I prefer creating a camera on your scene so you wouldn't get distracted from the current scenes. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and we're not gonna use any of those lights right there. We're just gonna go at the end of it, systems and a daylight. Yes. Great. Actually take this thing above and just shift C, mount it. This looks pretty much fine, and we're going to change the appearance of all. We're going to get in the modifier, and then just we're going to change the light parameters to MR Sun, MR Sky. Of course, you're going to say yes to that, and then just increase the softness up to 50%. This is actually for the shadows, so and 90%, and just specify a place to render. Let's say tutorial. Choose the format JPEG and select the 100% quality, and then go ahead to indirect illumination. Yes, and then go ahead to global illumination GI and enable it. We're not gonna change some of the settings, but this is actually good for now. So hit render key then. So you're gonna wait for that. I'm gonna pause the video until it renders out. So that seems to be awesome. So let's check this out. It will be on our desktop, and there you go. You know, as you can see here, it's quite sharp. It doesn't have even sharp shadows. It doesn't have sharp shadows, and the edges are not sharp at all. They're like smooth. So that's not good for us. And the floors and the materials, you can adjust them, but this metallic paint is quite good for rendering some glass materials, probably or metal materials. So thank you for watching this video. Actually, I'm not really sure if you're gonna like this video or not, but I just wanted to show you some techniques to do this. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.